Hello guys, I'm Alex from Creative Team and today I will show you how to create an admin panel using our product Light Bootstrap Dashboard. All the source files will be available on GitHub or on creativeteam.com. We will add links in the description of the video and you can start using them. This is my first video tutorial and I would be glad to know your feedback, and if you have any ideas or critique on how we can improve this, please tell us. We want to make those video tutorials better for you. I have my product folder on my desktop. You will see that you can find everything you need inside this folder, like dashboard, icons, maps. I will present you now the dashboard. The dashboard is made of two areas. On the left side there is the sidebar and on the right side there is the content area. Now I will open the template file. We will use as an example on WordPress admin, and we will create the dashboard page which will look like this. We will also create the posts page, which will be this one, and in the end we will create the appearance page. Which will look like this in our dashboard. Then I would like to create another page for you. And the best part is that everything is responsive in this template. For example, here is the screen size of a phone. Now we will start the hard work part. I'll close this one. This one I need it. We will get the navigation part and we will add it in our dashboard. And for this we need some icons like the update, comments, plus, and there's some text there. We will go to Font Awesome and look for the refresh icon. Then I'll go to my text editor where I have the template.html. Here is the code for the sidebar. Here is the code for the navigation bar. And here will be the content part where we will add cards and everything. So inside the navbar there is this small dashboard icon. How I said, I will recreate the navbar from WordPress. I changed the title of the page and now I will add the refresh icon. The WordPress has the page location inside the content. In our dashboard, we have the location inside the navigation bar. I will take it out from our navigation and we will add later inside the content just to look like the WordPress. Here it will be the content. Now I have to look for the comments icon. I've got one. I will duplicate this area. Add some number. Now I need the plus icon. I've got one here. So we've got the update button, the comments, and the new post button. I will add also the SEO button, which will not have an icon. So we've got the navigation here. On the right side there is the profile drop-down. I will update also our navigation bar with something like that. Actually, I will take this idea and I will create a drop-down inside our navigation bar too. We have this kind of drop-down in our dashboard. So I will get that one from dashboard.html and I will put it in our template. I'm going to main panel, the navbar right, and I'll have a look for the drop-down. I'm going to the template and I'll copy here. You can adjust this with what information you need. For example, edit profile, you can add pictures or whatever you like. The next step is to create the content area. We have the quick draft, at a glance, and the activity with the comments. The quick draft has a card which contains one input and one text area and a save as draft button. We have this in our user profile. We will use the left card. So it has all the inputs that we need. So it will look like that. I'm going to user.html. Okay, I've got it. Now I will just start to add the code that I need for that card. It will be a call with size 6 to be half of the screen size. I will get the header. It's called quick draft. I will copy the content and then I'll remove the code that I don't need. I don't know why I didn't copy the whole card, but that can be done in the next video tutorial. So right now we have a card with some inputs, which is on the half of the screen. We need only this input, the address one, and the text area. The first row can be deleted, the one which contains company, username, and email address. I'll remove those inputs too. I will keep the address because it has a full size input. I will update the text description. Then I'll make some small changes on the text here. Actually, we don't need a text inside the text area, so we let the users write whatever they want. And it is looking pretty good. Now I'll copy this area, but I will use some stroke icons because I really like the stroke icons and they are available in this dashboard. I will copy a new card and I'll delete the content. And here we will use the icons that I've talked about. They are on the icons.html. And we will use the note icon for the posts. I'll add some text. I will duplicate this section. We will use the comment icon for the comments. Then the file icon for the pages. You can check the other icons They are really beautiful, and they are very different from what we used in our navigation bar, like those one. Here we have some links, and I'd like to add links on our text too. That's better. Now I will add some new CSS style for those icons so they will look bigger and better. I will create a new CSS file that is called mystyle.scss. I will add this file to my template.html, and I'll write some extra style for my dashboard. In this way, when we will release a new Light Bootstrap Dashboard CSS update, we will not overwrite your style. I will add a new class here called card glance, and inside my style.css I will add some new CSS properties for my class. I'll use a bigger font, and I will align the text to the center. That's looking better, but I'd like to use a bigger font, and also to change the color of the icon to gray. Now I would add the info line that is here, which has the WordPress is running on Dazzling theme. And now it's looking better. Now I would like to copy the comments area and we will use the table from dashboard.html. It is already created. I will copy it. That is the tasks table. Then I will delete the lines that I don't need. Instead of this checkbox, I will add an image. You can find an image in the assets folder. I will use default avatar.png. Now I have to change the size of the image to look like the one from the WordPress. To do this, I will add a new class, table comments, and the image will have the max width to 60 pixels. That's better. If you look on WordPress, they have some links that appear on when you do hover over each comment. They have like reply, edit, spam, trash. We have those icons and they will help us achieve the same functionality. I'll just add a new button. You can add more buttons later using the icons that we have and colors and everything that you need. I need the reply icon. I will also change the text from the tooltip, and I will use the success class, which will make the button green. And we've got something like this. I'll change this text too, and you can add the other actions. Now I'll copy the text and then I will add some links. Now we have one comment. I see that they have some links in the footer, and I would like to get those links also for our card. Yep, we've got them. I would like to add some space between the links and then change also the color of those links. I will move the class table comments to the content, so I'll have access to the links from mystyle.css through that class. I'll make the links gray and I'll add some padding. Now that's better. Let's edit the title of this card. And then we should make some more lines of comments. Okay, so this is the first page that we've created. I hope you like it. In the next video tutorial, we will make the post page, which has a big table with a lot of data. And in the third video tutorial, we will make the appearance page. See you next time.